Hey guys, what's up? So today's on top of search keys 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first key is called Brainsonic Web Mobile. And it's a mobile version of the free Mac Windows web browser, Brainsonic Web, because iOS 8.0 or higher. So if you can't find the app on home screen after installing, try running the file commands via new term or SSH without quotes, UI cache. If the app does not run after downloading, please run the bwebfits script from here. So it's basically like a computer, like a Mac and Windows computer web browser on your iOS device. It does support iOS 13, so pretty cool. And this tweak is called Music Juster, and it takes control of your music with justers. You can hide labels, hide sliders, hide media control, hide AirPlay icons, hide volume slider. And this tweak is called FU Gap, and get rid of the ugly gap at the top of the control center. So keep the status bar intact. Status bar coming for all devices. Pretty cool. This is called YouTube Reborn. It's basically a YouTube Plus alternative. It's a YouTube customizer. This is called Dock Destroyer, which is remove the dock from the lock home screen, and another tweak Dock Drawer and Designer Sue Votre Dock. This is called Tether Me for iOS 8 Plus. It was finally updated. The big boss one, as you can see, was finally updated. Adds support for iOS 14. Fits edge case crash of Bluetooth. So yeah, now supports iOS 14. And I have to say what what Tether Me does. So basically, what Tether Me is dynamically enables native tethering for iOS 8 and up devices. Should work on any carrier. So this tweet is called Stance Bar. Set your favorite stock in the status bar on notchless devices. This tweet is called Telegram Contact Photo. So Telegram Contact Photos and sure look when you receive a Telegram notification. This is called Total Charge Tones. Also, mobile subject tweet that plays a selected tone alert when your battery is totally charged 100%, compatible with iOS 9 and up. This is called Auto Recorder. Record regular phone calls directly on your iPhone. It supports iOS 6.x to 8.x. You guys comply with the laws in your state or county or country. Just because in some places or most places you have to let the person know that you're recording before you start recording their voice. So just let them know on that. But yeah. This week, and me or developers not taking responsibility for you guys to use this. So make sure you guys use this responsibly. So yeah, let me just see if I can find the update. Yeah, so it's the most advanced iOS call recorder ever. And this is this one right here. Same thing, guys. Same deal. This is just Auto Recorder 2, which supports iOS. Which one? iOS. Where is it? iOS 8, 9, 10, and 11. iOS Auto Recorder XX supports iOS 12, 13, and I think 14 was updated for as well. This is called ICT Miz Pro, and I customize not you app. And this one is ICT Miz XIV. It's the same thing. I customize not you app, so it has like a bunch of features you customize your device with. And the last tweak is called Blue Picker. And connect, disconnect, and detect Bluetooth devices via activator. So as you connect and disconnect from paired devices, you can disable activator actions, selection sheet to connect or disconnect. So also includes activated events, so you can assign any action you want to device connection and disconnections. And if you forget to turn your Bluetooth on before triggering, this will also handle that for you too. So it hasn't been updated for a while. Still, it is marked as working for iOS 12. Let's see if it's working on iOS 13. If you're wondering what tweet this is, it's called tweet compatible. It basically people rank tweets, if it's working or not working for them with the iOS version, and this will tell you if it's working or not, or is working. So pretty useful. So you could just click on the iOS versions it has. The less popular tweets obviously won't probably have as much, and then you can see if it supports it. So this does work on iOS 13 and iOS 12. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.